Welcome to my channel. How to install Orbi satellite sync with router easily. 1. Unbox the Orbi satellite. Take out the Netgear Orbi satellite and power adapter from the box. Place the satellite near your Orbi router for setup. 2. Power on the satellite. Plug the satellite into a power outlet and press the power button. Wait until the LED light starts blinking white. 3. Place the satellite near the router. Keep the satellite in the same room as the Netgear Orbi router during the first sync process. 4. Press the sync button on the router. Find the sync button on the Orbi router and press it once. The router will enter pairing mode. 5. Press the sync button on the satellite. Within 2 minutes, press the sync button on the Orbi satellite. The devices will start connecting automatically. 6. Wait for the LED color. Check the satellite ring light. Blue equals excellent connection, amber equals fair connection, magenta equals connection failed. 7. Move the satellite to the best location. After successful sync, place the satellite halfway between the router and weak Wi-Fi area for better coverage. 8. Connect devices to the network. Use the same Wi-Fi name and password already set on your Orbi system. Devices will connect automatically. 9. Test internet speed. Open a website or run a speed test to confirm the satellite is extending your Wi-Fi properly. 10. Manage settings with the Orbi app. Install the Netgear Orbi app to monitor devices, check signal strength, and manage your mesh network easily. Thanks for watching.